Remember, these are real spells. Please put on headphones so I don't call entities into your place. Hello everyone, my name is BluMoon, and today we are going to be doing a protection bag. And for this, you are going to need a couple ingredients. You can use some graveyard dirt, a little bit of holy water. I got some pine cone needles or pine needles in this bag here. I got some of my black salt. I got twine, a tiger's eye, and a small sticky notepad and a pen. So what we're going to be doing is and your bag part, which is going to be just a piece of felt, which you can get at any craft store. They're usually about like 30 cents, 33 cents, somewhere right around there. So it doesn't cost a whole lot of money. So first, what we're going to be doing is doing our protection symbol. So for this, we're going to be doing a reverse spiral in this because we are pushing away. And then I'm going to be doing a pentagram in the middle. And then on this, what we're going to do is we're going to do a rune symbol a little bit bigger. And for these, I always tend to scribble a little bit harder. Alright. And that symbol right there is going to be protection against spells and other things of that nature. So I'm just kind of tearing off the edges and make it a little bit smaller. Alright, so I'm going to actually put this facing downward. The reason for this is whenever we have a bag, it will actually be facing outwards for the protection. Alright, so this is a tiger's eye that I've had for a little while. So this has already been charged with my energy. So I'm going to put that in here. Now we are going to be doing just a little bit of grave dirt, and I'm just taking a pinch of it. Don't need a whole lot. Just sprinkle a little bit on there. And for this, just going to be doing the same thing, just a couple needles here. And if you want to put a couple things of sage in here as well. Now there are other herbs that you can use as well. By all means, if you feel more comfortable using other herbs, you go ahead and do that. And I'm going to do a pinch of my black salt. And actually I'm just going to be spreading it around the felt here. I'm just putting a drop of water on each corner. Don't need a whole lot. Alright. Now for this, now if you have more stuff, of course it's going to be thicker. If not, that's okay. Alright. So, So now we're going to do a little bit of a spell on it, and while we're doing it, we are actually going to fill it with our energy again. So we're going to charge the item, and also whenever we're done with it, we're going to wake it up to do our purpose. Okay? So I'm just kind of focusing on my connecting to my deity. So it takes just a moment for me to do that. All right. I'm starting to feel a connection. So then I want to say, Goddess, bless this bag for the protection of my home and for the protection of all that is within. With harm to none, so mote it be. Okay, so that was it. Just a quick little prayer once you get that feeling of connection. So for others, it may take a couple minutes to do that. And then to wake this up, what we're going to do is we're going to tap it 3 times, and we're going to tell it to wake up. Wake up and do thy purpose. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to actually blow on the bag to kind of give it some life, as you could say. Once we wake it up, all right. Now this, when doing so and doing that little bit of a prayer on it, this actually feels a little bit different. So that's a good sign. If something like that happens to you, share it in the comments below, and don't forget to share and like this video. I'm always open to hear people's questions, so if you have a question about this or anything else, please let me know. My information is going to be at the end of the video here, so please feel free. And hopefully this has helped you. And then what you can do for this is you can either hang it, which is usually a good idea. Just do a string, hang it up from a corner of your room or in the garage or in the basement, something like that, and this will help protect your home. So thank you very much. I hope to see you next time.